Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, you think so pretty. You do. Shine as bright as you. Oh, I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, what you worry about the distance? I'm right there if you get lonely. If you're song another look, close your eyes. The sort of my voice is my disguise by your side. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Hey there, Delilah, what no time is getting hard. It leave me, girl, them they order. The girls that there's the car is good. Didn't have a knife, he knew we would. Oh, that is good. Now there, Delilah, why not so much up to say it? Every simple song I wrote to you. If you ran the way I'd write it all. Never know in love with me you'd fall, we'd have it all. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 1,000 cars in 35, but they got trains and trains and cars, and I could will, I had no other way. And I'll make fun of us, and they'll talk because girls will know that never does myself this way. And now tonight when I'm a shoe that I'm a time when we get through, that nothing never ever be the same. You're the flame. Hey there, Delilah, wasn't certain folks should miss me into my years in Sussex Sunday School when I be the genius I do. Haven't ever taken because of you. Whatever we want to. And there, Delilah, here's to you. That's unto you. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do for me. Oh, whoa.